Inverters are the heart of every solar system, converting direct current from solar panels into the alternating current that powers our homes. For years, central inverters have been the go-to choice, reliable and cost-effective, but they have their drawbacks. A single shaded panel can cut system output by half, and safety risks come from high-voltage direct current lines. Enter microinverters installed on each panel, converting power right at the source. If one panel is shaded, the rest keep producing, making them safer and easier to expand. They allow detailed monitoring of every panel and can produce up to 20% more energy over time. The trade-off? Microinverters are more expensive upfront, but they shine in residential systems where performance matters most. In today's market, Enphase leads the way, while others like Enexis and SolarBridge push for innovation. Choosing between central and microinverters depends on your priorities, but both paths lead to clean, sustainable energy.